first ones who made pav bhaji as a dish.
Hi guys, how are you? And welcome to Nivan's channel. Nivan is not here, but we are here. Cheers. So Nivan being reason not here, that we are going somewhere today alone. We are having mom dad time. We're going for a stand-up comedy show, and on the way back we're gonna pack something very interesting for Nivan, and we're gonna keep it surprise and we'll show you guys his reaction. He's been asking for a very long time for Sardar Pav Bhaji, and today we thought why not we'll go from here to pick it up the Pav Bhaji and give him a surprise. So stay tuned. I'll try to add on some clips of the comedy show also. We are going for Bassi's show, and that is favorite of this guy, Harinder Singh Khan. How you feeling? Bassi show?
Very good.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Is it really that funny? The stand-up comedies are really that funny, which we see on clips on YouTube, or it is just like that? So stay tuned. हमारा शो ख़त्म हो गया है, हम बाहर आ गए हैं और अब हम जा रहे हैं पैक कराने सरदार पाव भाजी फॉर निवान। अबाउट द बसी शो थोड़ी बहुत क्लिपिंग्स हमें मिली हैं, वो हम डालेंगे। आपको कैसा लगा शो?
वेरी नाइस शो।
इट्स अ मस्ट वॉच एक्चुअली, है ना?
वही में बसी का शो बहुत
अच्छा था। लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ मतलब
Live.
कुछ ऐसा लाइव स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, एंड आई वाजंट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि यू नो इट विल बी फुल सोल्ड आउट. It was a full house, and the punches were continuous. We were expecting 1 hour show, but it was 2 hours.
Yeah,
2.5 hours actually. So it was pretty good show, and the best part about it कि continuous punches थे and very relatable ones.
Correct.
And it was very good show. So anybody watching out there, we'll be posting this in a day or two. He's again gonna do this show in Mumbai, so if you want to go and experience a good laughter evening, go. And the show is about it's actually appropriate for 16 plus, so don't go below 16. You can't take your kids, but it's a good kind of enjoyment, entertainment, better than movies, right?
Yes. And thank you so much. Thank you.
How many pav bhajis we have taken?
7 now.
अरे अभी टाइम लगेगा। Reach to Sardar Pav Bhaji. It's a lot of chaos here. There's a lot of crowd. Saturday night, lots of crowd. And it's, what is the time right now?
11:15.
11:15 in the night, but still you can see people sitting here waiting to sit and eat rather than pack. We didn't opt for that option. We didn't had that option, so kids are waiting at home, and we are almost packing our pav bhaji and leaving. We got some caramel custard also. I heard it is good, so let's see. I don't know. Is it worth coming so far and getting this so late in the night? But it doesn't look night at all. See, people are waiting in the queue. such a long queue. Reached home. Let's see निवान का रिएक्शन क्या रहता है. Show the packet. इतना सारा खाना पैक कराया है हमने. It's very late. We didn't expect it show to go so long. हमें लगा 1 घंटे का होगा ज़्यादा ज़्यादा, but 2.5 घंटे. I don't know. Let's see if he's still awake or not. इस वक्त 12:30 बज रहे हैं, तो पानी बच्चे जाग रहे हैं या सो रहे हैं. Let's see. And let's see Nivan's reaction. And we got something for you. What is it?
Pav Bhaji.
Sardar Pav Bhaji. You wanted to have that, na? And caramel custard also. Excited? भाई बहुत लंबी लाइन थी, हमने भी नहीं खाया है. यहीं पे खाएंगे हम भी.
तभी आपको इतना
Yes.
इतनी लंबी लाइन है, अगर अभी भी खड़े होते भी लाइन में लगे होते अभी तक.
हाँ, it's so and बहुत सारे लोग being it Saturday and plus
कौन सी पाव भाजी जी?
they only have pav bhaji, Amul pav bhaji, nothing else they have. हाँ, देखिए गिरेगी. चलो, let's open it and see.
Yeah, smells so good. Even when the lid is on. खान शो देखा है आपने? जिसमें दिल पूरा मेन कवर को कवर करते थे. Smells like heaven.
Take a small bite and tell us how it is. And is it
Buttery.
worth waiting and saying all this?
It's definitely worth it.
Really?
Yeah.
So we are eating and I am almost done. And it's so delicious. It's so late in the night. मगर फिर भी हमने खाई है. What do you feel? How is the taste?
It's from Mumbai. This is Amul pav bhaji.
And it's not very expensive also. Just 190 rupees per plate. And worth the wait. I think वहाँ बैठ के खाते तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था.
नहीं, यहाँ भी बहुत मजा आ रहा है. It's 1 o'clock in the night and I'm zombie, but I'm still eating. So if zombie is liking this, it's lovely.
हाँ, I mean अगर ये बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती तो इतनी लेट एटलीस्ट मैं और हरिंदर तो नहीं खाते हैं. हम लोग तो डब्बा पैक कर देते हैं. निवान will you? निवान खा
I
लेता
have already
है.
finished one of these.
हाँ, this is
The
the second
second
round.
अगर थोड़ा और लेट हो जाता तो मैं अभी तक सो रहा होता.
हाँ, but this पाव भाजी is like usually इतना लेट हम लोग नहीं खाते. एक पाव खा के छोड़ देते. It is so tasty that I'm not even having any more pav, but I'm not gonna leave this bhaji like this. I'm gonna finish this.
Excuse me. The more tasty part is the lower part. Its butter is like so tasty.
मतलब बटर में कोई कंजूसी नहीं की गई है, भर भर के डाली है. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा डाइटिंग करते हैं तो महीने भर तक कुछ मत खाइए. और ये पाव भाजी मंथ इन अ मंथ खा सकते हैं तब आप, बिकॉज कोलेस्ट्रॉल तो बहुत है.
और ये देखो कितना सॉफ्ट है.
क्या ना है? मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
हाँ जी.
तुम दोनों का हो जाता, मैं बोलूँ.
बोलो.
There's a saying that it's worth money, but this is worth a week.
Worth the?
Awake,
Awake.
Yeah, I'm awake. It's
Worth staying awake.
Yeah. देखिए इंग्लिश हो गया, मैं इतनी नींद आ रही है.
तो हमने सोचा आपको फीडबैक देना तो ज़रूरी है. सरदार पाव भाजी
It's awesome.
is a must. And हाँ, by the way, these claims to be the first पाव भाजी डिस्कवरर कहेंगे, इन्वेंटर कहेंगे,
इन्वेंटर,
मेकर, इन्वेंटर, डिस्कवरर. एक्सीडेंटली हो या कुछ भी हो, आई थिंक डिस्कवर ही किया जाता है. बट एनीवेज, सो यू नो निवान, दीज आर द फर्स्ट वंस हु मेड पाव भाजी एज अ डिश. इनका टेस्ट बहुत ही अलग है बाकी की पाव भाजी से. बहुत माइल्ड है, सॉफ्ट है, नाइस है, स्पाइसी नहीं है ज़्यादा. बट यू गेट दैट क्रंच ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. भर भर के बटर है, बट इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. आई मीन आई कैन फॉरगेट अबाउट कितना बटर है, बट इट्स सो यमी दैट हैव टू ट्राई. Thumbs up from us. A thumbs up from us. Yes. A must try again. Yep. So we are very lucky. Whatever we are trying on this vlog is going a must. cheat list?
No, I'm
Saturday,
I'm
Sunday,
very-
or Friday, if it's a cheat day, please go and buy this.
I'm very particular. Last time I gave 1, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, what is your rating this
My
time?
rating for this one will be 9.5.
Oh,
What is your
Please,
rating?
please go.
10 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Okay. If Harinder is happy, usually he's never happy for all these things. You can imagine. And I will give it an 11 out of 10 because I like herbs and it has dhania and I love dhania. So it's very yummy, crunchy, nice and refreshing. So this was the
I
food
give it a
review.
9.
Okay. Oh. So this is the second bowl, second round he finished. So this is Kang family suggesting you another must try dish, pav bhaji from Sardar Pav Bhaji. Catch you guys next. See you. Like, subscribe and share and keep watching us and you keep giving us lots of love. Bye.
From my side.